Hello Rivian fans, Scooter here testing the new Apple Watch companion app, which is rolling out to Rivian owners soon. To begin, I had to re-add my digital key after updating to the latest Rivian iPhone app. From there, I was able to begin controlling my R1S from my watch after a quick pairing. Now this new app offers owners a bunch of handy new controls, available directly from their wrists, including locks, climate control, venting the windows, or even opening the frunk. Check it out. As you can see here, the controls are quite responsive with minimal lag time. Just like the frunk, the Apple Watch app also enables liftgate controls. Here I decided to leave my phone inside to show how seamless unlocking and driving a Gen 2 Rivian is using my new Apple Watch companion app. Your wrist now shows when your Rivian locks or unlocks and enables you to open and close the charging gate with ease. From there you can choose your charge limit or choose to end or resume a charge session. Other accessible controls include toggling the gear guard cam on and off, locating your vehicle using Apple Maps, and a few other controls. You can also tap Gear Guard Gary to make different paces. Rivian app version 3.9.0, including Apple Watch capabilities, will begin rolling out to R1 owners soon. As always, come back to Electrek for the latest in Rivian and other EV news daily.